depends on your attitude, how you are just taking and how you are just react and also respond to that situation. That is very important. Many times it happens in our life. Yeah, life is the name of the conflict, life is the name of struggle. So many times we just facing the difficulties, problems. At the right moment, if you are just decide to give up the everything to, and but there are some people, they proved that one, they like to start their journey again with the new energy, with the new abilities, and this is the real moral story behind this chapter. I am really impressed with that one. I know that there are some people, there are some students also, they are just thinking that to start our journey, but there are some insulting incident just taken place in your life. At the right moment, we should not just give up, we have to once again start our journey. What is the slap is the symbolize? Slap maybe physically somebody just slap you. Sometimes the slap of time is also occurs in our life. So we should not just go for there, we should not just feel that insulting. We have to take the challenge once again. Yeah, we have to teach to the time, yeah, I am the best one and I can do anything whatever I want. So this is the really great story which I just shared with you. I think so all of you also get that energy, all of you also that great lesson from this story. I hope you will have also the best attitude, you will have the great ability to achieve the success in your life. So take care, have a nice day.